Welcome to the introduction of a flyer design. What is a flyer? A flyer is a printed or digital document that is used to promote a product, service, event, or idea. It can be created in various sizes and formats such as a single page, double-sided, tri-fold, or as a digital PDF. Flyers are commonly distributed by hand, mail, or displayed in public places such as notice boards or storefronts. They often contain visual images, graphics, and text, with a clear call to action to encourage the reader to take action such as attending an event, contacting a business, or making a purchase. Flyers can be used for a variety of purposes including advertising, fundraising, promotion, and public awareness campaigns. The fundamentals of a flyer. The key fundamentals of a flyer include 1. Eye-catching design. The design of a flyer should be visually appealing and attention-grabbing to draw the reader's attention. This may be achieved through the use of high-quality images, engaging graphics, and a balanced layout. 2. Clarity and conciseness. The content of the flyer should be clear, concise, and easily readable to ensure that the message is effectively communicated. Use a clear and legible font and avoid overcrowding the flyer with too much information. 3. Compelling headline. A strong headline is essential to quickly capture the reader's interest. It should be clear, persuasive, and relevant to the purpose of the flyer. 4. Call to action. The flyer should include a clear call to action (CTA) that prompts the reader to take a specific action, such as visiting a website, making a phone call, or attending an event. 5. Important information. Essential details such as event date, time, location, contact information, and any special instructions should be prominently displayed on the flyer. 6. Branding. If the flyer is promoting a business or organization, it should incorporate branding elements such as the logo, brand colors, and other visual identifiers to maintain consistency and reinforce brand recognition. 7. High-quality printing. If creating a physical flyer, ensure that it is printed on high-quality paper with vibrant colors and sharp images. Pay attention to the finish and texture of the paper to create a premium feel. By focusing on these fundamentals, a flyer can effectively convey its message and motivate the audience to take the desired action. Importance of a flyer. The importance of a flyer as a marketing tool is significant for several reasons. 1. Cost-effective advertising. Flyers are a cost-effective way to reach a large audience. Compared to other forms of advertising, such as television or radio commercials, print or digital advertising, flyers are relatively inexpensive to produce and distribute. 2. Targeted marketing. Flyers allow businesses and organizations to target specific geographic areas or demographics. They can be distributed directly to the target audience, making them an effective tool for localized marketing efforts. 3. Tangible marketing material. In a digital age, flyers provide a tangible form of marketing material. They can be physically handed out to potential customers, allowing for a more personal interaction and potential for direct engagement. 4. Creative flexibility. Flyers provide an opportunity for creative expression. Design elements, imagery, messaging, and branding can be tailored to capture attention and convey key marketing messages in a visually engaging manner. 5. Information dissemination. Flyers are effective for providing detailed information such as event details, product features, contact information, and promotional offers in a compact and easily digestible format. 6. Brand visibility. Flyers contribute to brand visibility and recognition. Consistent use of brand elements such as logos, colors, and fonts helps reinforce brand identity and build brand awareness. 8. Trackable results. Distribution of flyers can be tracked and measured, providing valuable insights into the effectiveness of the marketing campaign. Overall, flyers serve as a versatile and impactful marketing tool, allowing businesses, organizations, and individuals to effectively communicate with potential customers, clients, or the public. When designed and implemented strategically, flyers can help drive brand awareness, customer engagement, and conversion. Types of a flyer. There are several types of flyers, each tailored to different purposes and marketing strategies. Here are some common types of flyers. 1. Promotional flyers. These are used to promote products, services, sales, or special offers. They often include attractive visuals, product descriptions, and incentivizing offers to entice customers. 2. Event flyers, designed to promote events such as concerts, festivals, parties, or fundraisers. Event flyers typically feature event details, performers, date, time, and venue information. 3. Informational flyers. These flyers are aimed at providing information on a specific topic or issue, such as educational programs, community services, health awareness, or public announcements. 4. Corporate flyers, used by businesses to showcase their services, capabilities, or corporate events. They often incorporate company branding and detailed information about the organization. 5. Real estate flyers, commonly used in the real estate industry to showcase properties for sale or rent. They include property details, images, and contact information for the real estate agent or owner. 6. Nonprofit flyers, used by nonprofit organizations to promote fundraising events, charity initiatives, or raise awareness about social issues. They often highlight the organization's mission and impact. 7. Recruitment flyers. These are used by employers to advertise job openings and attract potential candidates. They typically contain information about the job position, qualifications, and contact details for applying. 8. Menu flyers, commonly used by restaurants, cafes, or food outlets to promote their menu offerings, daily specials, or new dishes. These are just a few examples, but flyers can be adapted to serve a wide range of marketing, informational, and promotional purposes across various industries and sectors. Each type of flyer is tailored to meet specific communication objectives and target different audiences.